Hey, how's it going? My name is Chanon. I do English voiceovers. I've been living in the United States for about 7 years, and if you ever, need any English voiceovers, just contact New Noi Announcer. สวัสดีครับผมชานนท์นะครับก็รับภาคเสียงเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะครับก็อยู่ต่างประเทศมาได้ไปเรียนต่อมา7 ปีครับก็ถ้าต้องการภาคภาษาอังกฤษก็ติดต่อทางพี่หน่อย announcer ได้เลยครับผมสวัสดีครับ
Welcome to MRP Engineering, always being your partner. MRP Engineering is a leading provider of heavy machining and fabrication services in Southeast Asia. This is founded from an exceptional vision of the top management, Mr. Marut Promet, and a team of outstanding executives. Established in 1991, MRP Engineering started from a small factory. Led by a strategic vision of the management, the company is fast-growing, having a variety of machineries to provide customers a full range of services. Situated on an area of over 320,000 square meters, with more than 400 high-performing people. Mr. Marut Promet and a team of outstanding executives. Established in 1991, MRP Engineering started from a small factory. Led by a strategic vision of the management, the company is fast-growing, having a variety of machineries to provide customers a full range of services. Situated on an area of over 320,000 square meters, with more than 400 high-performing people. MRP Engineering's business coverage includes automotive industry, steel industry, foundry industry, paper industry, mining industry, cement industry, building materials industry, food industry, sugar industry, electric power industry, petrochemical industry, and aircraft industry. MRP Engineering scope of business covers repair and overhaul, mechanical part maker, machine and processing line maker, turnkey project, repair and overhaul,